Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the false teeth filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in hot. Here go to meme. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and that's it. You got the filter. And if you're not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover and you can search for false teeth. And you will see some video with this effect. Now let's tap on this one. As you can see at the left corner of the screen, you can see the effect icon. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and from there you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.